Pratik.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm Ankita, and you are having all your views today at Peeping Moon to interact with. Am I
Yes.
good? You can hear me?
Yeah, I'm just.
Yes,
All fine?
now I
All
can.
right, all set to go.
All good.
Before we start anything, I really want to congratulate you for your lovely performance in Guilty, getting rave reviews. How does it feel?
Thank you. Thank you. It feels great. I think when you decide that you want to be an actor, you want to be loved for the work that you do, and thankfully that's happened with me, first film onwards. But also, it's only just the beginning. There's a lot more to do, and I'm only 24. There's hopefully I have years to go and a lot of films to go as well. So yeah, looking forward and yeah, feels great when you're loved for the acting that you do, especially keeping aside all the facade that comes with uh, being an actor, the way you look, and all sorts of things. So yeah, it's great.
But again, an unconventional choice where the entire industry or even the people from outside or
Hmm.
within try to run in for a debut where has to be a film, a quintessential dancing around the trees or action. You went almost grey in your first outing out there. Weren't you nervous or weren't you spectacle that it's a web space? And how will you strike a balance out there out with it?
No, of course I was. There always is a question mark when you're making your first choice because you're thinking that is this going to be the right one or the wrong one? You never know. Uh, Not only if it's a great film, it's also even if it's a full-on commercial film. Even nowadays, commercial films are also not tanking, and the biggest of the films are.
Exactly.
So that was there, but coming from a non-film family, I didn't really have a lot of scripts to choose from, and it was also the fact realizing the fact that if not this, will I get another chance, or will I be offered another film, or will I audition for one and get selected? So for me, it was like, okay, it's a good script, great character. I would love to do it. And I'd always read these news articles about, big actors saying no to some films, and eventually some new guy came by. He did this film, and then, became a big actor again. So I was like, maybe this is the one because a lot of actors have said no to this, and maybe this is my chance. And it's great because I think a newcomer gets only so many chances, especially when you're from not a background like a proper film background. So you get one or two chances. This was my first chance, and I wanted a character that kind of like gets etched in the audience's brain, and I think this was that character. So I think yeah, my work was done.
Was VJ tough to crack? Because uh, for the first half of the narrative, you won't understand if he's lying or not. Even I guess till the last 20 minutes, you're not very much
Yeah.
aware. You are playing it beautifully, and then suddenly it knocks you like, oh, he's the one. But was it tough to keep the track of this or be in the psyche of that character?
It was tough to make it to play it in the sense that even he doesn't know that he's wrong because
Oh, yes,
it's
exactly.
very easy to play characters that are black or white, but when you have to play someone who himself does not know that, oh, he's done something wrong, he's crossed the line, and you have to also make the audience believe it. So that was tough. uh, Plus also the heavy scenes that are there of the rape and of all these other things, they were really tough. It kind of gets to you, and also, I mean, these people. Uh, you see these kind of men or just people who cross the line and go wrong, and they can never come back from it. And some people know it that they knowingly do these things. Some people unknowingly do them, and then later realize what is consent and what is not. And I just wanted to do it because I have always pressed upon the fact, and I've been taught uh, in my bringing up what consent is and how it's important, and I've always been in the know of yes and a no. But I think a lot of people aren't, especially young people nowadays. Were reckless, students, college students, school students, and it's important for them to know. So, which is why I wanted to play it the way I did, playing it in a way that even he does not know that he's crossed the line. And then eventually, obviously, the climax is not only like a revelation for the people that, oh, VJ did something wrong. It's also for him that, oh yes, I did cross the line and now I have to, live up to its consequences. So yeah, it was tough.
I know it might not be the best thing to ask, but Quarantine and Guilty being on Netflix is actually serving as a benefit because, yeah, it's an irony. Normally, we rush to theaters for films to see, and this
Yeah.
time it's such an irony. You are at home and you might be having one of the best content to consume. I asked Akansha a couple of hours back, and she's like, I actually never thought about it, but yeah, it's like it's an irony, but it's working for us, and it is giving a wider reach, which we really wanted to. Which was I guess, if I'm not wrong, that was the main reason you guys were keen for a web space to come, such kind of subject, so that it reaches everywhere.
Yeah, I mean, it would have been great if it was a theater release as well, because theatrical releases are great because at least in the country you get a bigger reach. Because Netflix, there is, I mean, it's a wider reach worldwide, but like still a lot of people in the third and fourth tier market are not there on Netflix. So that's the problem. But I think it's a choice that you make, and it's great that a lot of people are watching it more now because like everyone who's stuck at home, because more often than not you find yourself
Right.
just searching, scrolling on Netflix, what to watch. But I think half an hour उसी में निकल
And you
जाता है
guys are
ऊपर नीचे.
almost in the top five for the last like 2 months, almost, which you have been out.
A month,
You are
a month, a month.
there on top slots.
Yeah, yeah. So it's going well, but I mean, it's there's also the other side to it that by the time the world starts functioning again, our film will be 2, 3 months old, and so that there's also that fear that we'll already be someone whose film's gone by, and now what's next? But it's okay. Take it as it comes.
It's So, before we ask what's next, something very beautiful you already have in pipeline. I know you might not be allowed to talk much about Brahmastra, but that's
Yeah.
really exciting.
Yeah, it is. Brahmastra is great. It's the biggest film that's coming in India yet. Uh, the amount of VFX there is, the people that are working on it, like the technicians who worked on Avengers, Harry Potter, and all these big films from around the world are coming together to make Brahmastra, and I'm glad to be a part of it. I think it'll be a spectacle to watch. It's going to be fabulous. I mean, even the Indian audience, like, I remember everyone's always said that why can't we make something like, as big as
Exactly.
Avengers or Harry Potter
Yeah.
and, those
Yeah.
sort of films. But now we are. And it's taken a while, but when it comes, I think it'll change the whole game for Bollywood, and hopefully people will love it.
Good things always take some time, but if you could share us something about your maybe experience working with the Ranbir or Alia, Mr. Bachchan, have you shared screen space with him at all?
Yeah, yeah. Most of my screen space is with Mr. Bachchan and Ranbir.
How was it?
Ranbir,
Mr.
it
Bachchan is
was great.
something like,
Yeah, I mean, I remember, like, I am sort of a very intimidated person, who gets intimidated very easily in life. So I
it
was very
doesn't look,
scared.
it doesn't come across as VJ for sure.
Yeah, yeah, and also now because film has come out, and like sort of things change once people start recognizing you thoda bahut.
Hmm.
But I think Brahmastra happened 3.5 years back, 3 years back,
Hmm.
and
Oh,
I was 21 at that time, and very new, sort of in this on this big set with about 200 people working, and like it came to a point when I first walked into set, someone thought कि अच्छा visitor है, and the bouncer stopped me कि I was like कि भाई मैं इस picture में हूँ, मतलब काम कर रहा हूँ, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? So these things add up, and then you kind of get scared. But I was a little scared to work with Mr. Bachchan first. Ranveer, I was very excited to work with because he's, like my idol. I've looked up to him since his first few films. He's a brilliant actor. He's very sincere. So he's always been that benchmark that I want to this kind of a work, and I want to be known like how good an actor he is. I want to be known like that. Um, so yeah, it's great when I think your first feature film, when you get a chance to share screen space with the best of the best, Ranveer, Alia, there's Mr. Bachchan, there's also Mr. Shah Rukh Khan now, there's Nagarjuna sir. Even though I don't share screen space with both of them, but it's just
Right.
great to be
Of
in a
course.
film which has all of these actors. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think December should be when it's out, hopefully.
Yes, finger crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah. Uh, um, Gurfateh, your sister Mehreen is a very big name down south. And I was just scrolling through the comments as well. People are really keen to know, will you ever venture into the south industry, or Bollywood is your plan?
I hope so. A few people have contacted my sister regarding my performance in Guilty, and they have appreciated it. So I hope they give me a film. I mean, I love Tollywood. I love Tamil and Telugu equally, and also I've watched some Malayalam cinema as well. I'm not too familiar with it, but it's great the kind of films that they make, and I think technically they are so much sounder than we are in Bollywood.
Yeah, yeah.
And especially Rajamouli sir, he's putting Tollywood on the world map. The kind of films he's coming up with, they are completely at par with what Bollywood is today. And yeah, I would love to work with them. Hopefully someday. I love how the fans treat their actors. It's amazing. It's
Oh, they
almost like,
worship them.
yeah, they worship them. And I think I went to one of my sister's premieres, uh, and they had like a full like Diwali sort of thing going on, patake and like a हजार की 10,000 की लड़ी, and it almost under one was almost under a car, and I was scared that this car might like just burst.
No.
But it's amazing how they celebrate like their actors. It's fabulous.
Nice. Gurfateh, tell me something. You've been modeling even before acting, if I'm not wrong. And if I, can you hear
Yeah,
me?
I
Yeah.
think people
You
can't
have
hear
been
you.
modeling as well.
Take out the earphones.
I think, yeah, maybe sometimes it echoes.
Yeah.
Is it comfortable to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. You have been modeling as well, even before you came to acting. Did you also face that kind of prejudice that models can't act?
Yeah,
It's still
of course. A lot.
a lot.
Because, yeah. And that was one of the main reasons why I chose this film because, you know, when you come in a big film like Brahmastra is going to be great. A lot of people will watch it. But my main acting, people will get to see and have
Exactly.
gotten to see is Guilty. And for me, it was that month I had to break that thing that models can't act because I think there's that prejudice is there that whatever you might call it,
Hmm.
that statement is there because it's true to a certain extent. There is a reason that why people say that models can't act, but I did work hard on my acting for the last 6 years, and I sort of wanted to be known. Modeling was just a stepping stone. I never did it wholeheartedly because I was never like excited by it for that in that sense. But yeah, I mean, I think my first audition, the casting directors, me and my sister gave it together, and the casting
Oh,
director said
hmm.
कि ये तू कर लेगी कि इससे आपके बेटे से नहीं हो पाएगा. He told my mom that. So I was like, shit, I really need to work hard. But after that, people have been very kind. Like, I mean, Mukesh sir has been great. Brahmastra's audition I gave, one of my first movie auditions was with him. Brahmastra's first audition was with him. So he really believed in me. He said that, now I think I can see you getting somewhere. So just keep working hard and keep auditioning. I think Brahmastra kaam aayegi. It'll happen. So, yeah, I auditioned for, I
Then
think,
how
8 months
did you
for it.
land Guilty? Like Brahmastra se Guilty, how did it happen to for you? How did you land
Uh,
Guilty?
I auditioned for it. I think
Oh,
that time Netflix had just come, and a lot of people were auditioning for Netflix
yeah.
ka stuff. And I'd auditioned for a bunch of series, and everyone was supposedly making a Netflix show. So eventually, it ended up being nothing. So I auditioned for this.
Okay.
I thought कि अच्छा ठीक है बोल रहे हैं Netflix से क्या पता हो या नहीं हो क्या पता. So but then eventually they called me from Dharmatic and Ruchi wanted to meet me. So I was like, okay, this is actually happening, and they've
So
liked my audition.
technically, Guilty happened first, and then Brahmastra happened.
No, Brahmastra happened earlier. Brahmastra
Okay,
happened
okay,
2 years
okay.
before Guilty.
Okay, so you somewhere down the line, okay, and you were like going back to the Dharma family. It was like going back home only, the
Yeah,
same
so
project.
now I was sort of making my mark that okay, Dharma ke saath I'm doing 2 films without a contract, which is great. And I hope they'll give me a contract now. They haven't given me yet.
How sweet.
But
That's
yeah,
really, really sweet on your part.
yeah,
I was going through your account. There are a couple of comments which say that you have a very striking resemblance to Vicky Kaushal.
yeah. A lot of people say that. A lot
How
of
do you
people.
react to this? Like, is it in a good way or is it like my own identity?
No, I mean, it doesn't have to be in a bad way because I respect the work he's done. I love him as an actor. Uh, any comparisons with actors like Vicky Kaushal are great, but at the end of the day, I also want to be myself. So hopefully, I think 5 years down the line, maybe some other new guy will come. They will say that oh, he looks like Gurprateh.
You look
So
like
this
good.
this keeps
Nice.
happening.
One more question, which while we were talking to Akansha popped up like zillion of times. Are you dating Akansha? That is
No, no,
like
no.
the most common question, and Akansha couldn't help but stop laughing.
No, 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 no. We are just very good friends. We happened to meet. I know her through my sister like years back because I think my sister and her went on
Okay.
some l- educational tour to the New York City. I think about 10, 12 years back.
Oh
So
God, like that long. Yeah.
yeah, so I sort of knew her always by name, but I got to meet her on set, and we have a good friendship with all the people as it is. But yeah, nothing more.
So tell me, Gurfateh, is there any actress on your list or any filmmaker also which you are really, really dying to work with next?
Zoya Akhtar, Mr. Bansali.
Zoya is a favorite. Zoya is a
Yeah, yeah,
favorite
yeah.
among
She's
everyone.
amazing. Yeah. Not only Zoya. I mean, I love the whole team at Excel. They do some really good work. So
Yeah, they do very
Excel
good stuff out
for
there.
sure. Then Mr. Raghavan, Sriram Raghavan. He's great. Uh,
Yes.
and I mean, I have a long list. Imtiaz Ali. I love his films. Uh, yeah, and Karan Johar also. I want to work with him again.
Karan is like I didn't took Karan's name because it's like home. You're not Dharma, you're in Dharma. So it's like
Uh,
home
I
out
want
there.
to work in a film that he's directing.
Nice. And any actress you're really keen to collaborate with?
Actress, I'm already working with the best of the best, Alia. I would love to work with her in more films. Kia,
Yeah. I can. It just fluctuates at
yeah,
that.
sorry,
I
my
can.
my social media limit went off. But
It's,
yeah,
it's,
so
it's perfectly fine.
I never keep up with it,
And
but I don't know why I have it.
oh yeah, because I've been hearing a lot of complaints. We are moving to your fans now. That why don't you reply to their DMs? They're hurt.
I am
You are
very
supposed to
sorry.
reply to their. Oh, someone would love to see you with Tara Sutaria in a film.
Okay, okay, okay. Maybe I'll get a film with her.
Guys, I am giving you all to Gurfateh. You guys, please shoot your questions. Everyone, he's here to answer all the bunch of queries you have.
Muskan Srivastava has sent a lot of hearts my way. Thank you so much,
Oh
Muskan.
my God, you have got lots of hats. I can see that. There are a lot of hats going on here.
Ahad Raza Mir, that's another comparison. He's a stellar actor from Pakistan. A lot of people from Pakistan think that I look like him.
Oh,
Yeah, he's a great actor. Though. Very good. Uh,
people are complaining. You don't reply to my DMs. I'm hurt.
Noor, I think that's Noor. In one of the earlier
Yeah.
lives. Also, she said the same thing. I'm so sorry.
Oh, oh, now you really got to go back and, tell her that, yay,
I try to reply to a lot of DMs, but then I think sometimes it also gets too tiring. I reply to comments and stuff, but I mean I read all my messages. I'm gonna reply to all of them. I Marine State, she's
okay.
a supermodel from Pakistan. I've been playing Ludo with her a lot of times since the last few days. Thank you so much, Marine.
We have some really good questions coming. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੰਬਰਸਰੀਆ ਹੋ everyone
नहीं,
and Punjabi ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ.
नहीं नहीं, अंबरसरिया नहीं गा, मैं बठिंडे तो है।
Oh, nice.
Are you Punjabi or no? You know Punjabi?
I am a Punjabi.
Oh,
मैं
okay.
पंजाब तो ही हूँ.
Fab.
That's what's nice. And then people are loving your performance. There are so many things. Oh, that's a nice one. Would you like to collaborate with Deepika?
Oh, she's a fabulous actress. I think this Shakun Batra film, I'm really jealous
Oh,
of
yes.
Shehan Chaturvedi. No,
Many
but
people are. I'm telling you, there are many people who are very jealous
no,
right
but
now.
it's great. I mean, I'm very happy for him. He's getting his due. He's worked hard for it. But that's a good film to be a part of. Yeah. What a director and what a cast. I'm really
Exactly.
looking forward to watch the film. But yeah,
If
Deepika is
if you
हाँ?
had to actually pick if you had to pick any other film, अगर guilty ना होती, तो आप कौन सी film से debut करना चाहते? Any film which has already released.
Any film that has already
Any
released.
film, like maybe it's always like a wish list. Like I wish I would have made my debut from that. Any film.
Andhadhun?
Nice. That's a very unconventional choice again. That's not something I was expecting.
Yeah,
Bloody
Andhadhun.
good.
Or even Article 15. I loved the film. I loved it.
You're also an Anubhav Sinha fan.
Yeah. But he's making some really good cinema.
He's
I
making
love
some really real stuff. Like
Yeah.
Thappad is
So
Thappad is
fabulous.
like just
And all of the actors have done so well in it.
yes. You have some similarities with Vicky Kaushal. Okay, now I think this Vicky Kaushal thing is starting again.
Guys,
And
I have similarities with
and
Pradeep Mirzada.
guys, just another reviews and then we'll have only good Fateh for you. ये बताओ how you're dealing with all the female attention. Please enlighten us.
I am only looking at the messages and getting happy. That's all I can do.
But are you shy with all the female attention coming your way? Is it a little awkward?
In life, I'm shy. I think on phone, I'm really not shy. But I think when it comes to when like someone asks me for a picture and all, like I get a little like, okay, मेरे साथ लोग photo खिंचा रहे हैं. But I think I'm generally a shy person. But I mean, it's great. People are appreciating me for the right reasons, so I'm happy.
Yeah, it's very nice someone said that in Guilty you were exceptional and as an artist. It's something people are saying really nice things about your performance. Does
Thank
it
you.
feel a little pressuresome that you have to really keep up the bar now? You have already set a certain mark for yourself and you
But that's
can't
a good
go.
thing, na? If people wouldn't have liked it, then that would have been pressurizing because then it would have been like, अभी
But
मेरे को
you're
अपनी
not
picture
under
में-
any pressure per se.
No, I mean, if I work hard, I'll be fine. People will like it. It's just, I have to make a
That's
good choice. That's all.
Gurfat, if you have to give one advice to, there are so many people out there like you who are trying to make it big, and you're not from industry, and you have had your own good 6-year journey to reach here, where you have your first taste of fame. What exactly are the few things which one should keep in mind when you're entering here?
To be honest, I don't think I've made it yet. I am very new still. I still have a lot more struggle to do, and I think that will carry on for a long period of time.
Exactly.
But to be fair, I have worked hard and I have reached a certain space where a lot of actors don't still. And I'm very happy that I keep hearing stories that some actor has been here for 15 years, 20 years, and they've not gotten their due or they've not
They
made
don't
it.
get that break.
So-
Yeah, they don't get
So
that.
that way, if I look at it, 6 years is a very short time. But I think what's important is just have belief and realism is very important. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम बहुत आगे की सोचते हैं और थोड़ी हवा में बातें करते हैं और इवेंचुअली वो हम उसका आधा भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. What's important is start from somewhere. I did a lot of stuff which I probably wouldn't do right now, but at that time was very important for me to do to like go up the ladder somehow. So छोटे छोटे रोल छोटी छोटी चीजें एड्स कर ली ये कर ली. So I think it's very important for us to start somewhere because if I would have come here 6 years later sitting that वो मेरे को धर्मा लॉन्च करेगा या यशराज लॉन्च करेगा, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं होता because
Exactly. You
Eventually,
always
those
have to take
people
small
also,
steps.
yeah, eventually those people will also invest in you if you are investing in yourself and if you are actually working. Uh,
Hmm.
what people nowadays want to see hard work because every other person is giving in their 100%. What's important
Hmm.
is who gives in their extra, those 4-5 extra% is the one who's going to make
Hmm.
it. And that's what I say. I mean, give auditions, practice a lot, uh, read, understand human behavior because I think we are in the profession of portraying life, and if we don't understand life, then we can't act. So, which is
Nice.
what I do. Exactly how I'm passing my quarantine time also because I've been reading books and watching movies and just learning new techniques because if I don't utilize these 2 months, I think I'll be in a very bad space once world starts again. So yeah, it's important. Just learn, and if you wanna be an actor, there's no age for you to become an actor. You can become an actor anytime as long as you're good at it and as long
Like we
as you
have a very
do your
beautiful
job.
example of Gajraj Rao. Like
Yeah,
he
and he's so
himself says that there is never an age. It
yeah,
just you just have to have believe in yourself, and it happens. It takes time,
exactly.
but it happens.
It takes time, but it happens. Gajraj Rao, Baman Irani, back in the days, became an actor so late, and he's one of the best right now. Still,
And Gurfateh, lastly, something, a last couple of questions for all the people who have been now bombarding a lot of stuff. I'll just read a few ones to you, which we just missed somewhere. Which Ranveer Singh movie would you like to have played his role or done?
Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Singh's film,
Yeah, Ranveer Singh's, yeah. Any movie if of Ranveer Singh's you would have done.
tough one, tough one. I think Band Baja or Bajirao.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And there are a few more questions. Let's take them from fans.
नहीं actually यार तख्त अभी तक रिलीज नहीं हुई है but I would love to be in it. Yeah.
Let's take a last few questions from fans before it's all yours. Please pick your questions and answer them. They are really looking forward to hear from you.
I didn't hear it. Sorry. What?
I'm saying you take the last few questions from fans now. It's all yours.
Okay. 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 How tall are you? I'm 6'2".